Hello everyone. Today's art project is using markers, Q-tips. I think Miss Kate gave you 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some water. You just put a little bit of water into a cup. I only used a clear cup so that you could see it. It could be a plastic container. And the white paper that Miss Kate gave you. So what you're going to do and I'm going to do is we could draw a picture. And today I think I want to make an apple, like we did last week with tearing the paper in the apple. So I'm drawing my apple shape and I'm coloring it in. And then I'm going to take a brown marker to put the stem. So I made a green apple. So you can all see this. So you will dip your Q-tip into the water and rub it on top of the green and see what happens. Wow. I'm going to get some more water. I dip it in. All those white spots are now green. So now my apple has a couple different shades of green in it. I will flip my Q-tip over to the other side and dip it in water so I can go over the stem and see what happens. So you can take any color marker and draw whatever you want and dip it in the water and see what happens. I have this other picture that I finished, and so I'm just going to take my green and I'm going to dip it in and show you what happened. Wow, it colored it, it filled it in all green. And look, I can even make some grass. Flipping it over to that brown and doing the brown. And I made a tomato. So I'm going to take that brown one, coloring it in, and look, it got bigger. So I have red. So I will dip a Q-tip in the water. And oh, it's like magic. I'll turn it over to the other side so I can go over the purple grapes. Look at what happened to the grapes. I took a new Q-tip to go over the black, and I'm going to flip it over to the other side and go over the sun. I'm going to make some new rays. It's not the same. With a yellow, it seems like you can't see it the same way. But when I rub it in the middle, it's a little bit lighter. Ooh, look at the water. So I'm going to take the blue, a new Q-tip, so I can try water. Ooh, look at that water fill in. See if I can make another drop. Oh, look at that. So I could use that as a marker too. Next, I'm going to flip it over to the Q-tip. And look what happened to my pumpkin. Dip it in some more water. My pumpkin is now orange. The water and with a marker made it spread on the paper. I'll find my brown Q-tip to go over the stem. So this is something you can make. I had fun and I made some apples and some lines. It's interesting to see what will happen on the back of your paper too. I made flowers, or if you want, you can just use regular color and go over regular markers and just go over anything that you want to do. Okay, have fun. See you soon. Bye.